Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following statements regarding the Chief Justice of India, CJI. 1. The Chief Justice of India is appointed by the President of India in consultation with the outgoing CJI and senior judges of the Supreme Court. 2. The CJI holds the authority to allocate cases to judges and constitute benches to hear specific matters in the Supreme Court. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer, C. Statement 1 is correct. The CJI is appointed by the President under Article 124(2) of the Constitution, with consultation involving the outgoing CJI and senior Supreme Court judges, as per the collegium system. Statement 2 is correct. The CJI, as the master of the roster, assigns cases and forms benches. The Chief Justice of India retires upon reaching the age of 65. The CJI can be removed from office only through a process of impeachment removal by the Parliament. Consider the following statements regarding Pegasus software. 1. It is a surveillance spyware developed by Israeli company NSO Group. 2. It is primarily used for purposes such as tracking endangered species and monitoring climate change. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer, A. Statement 1 is correct. It is a surveillance spyware developed by Israeli company NSO Group. Statement 2 is incorrect. Pegasus is a spyware used for surveillance, primarily by governments for security purposes, but it has faced controversy over allegations of misuse and spying on political opponents. Israeli company NSO Group's controversial spyware Pegasus was used to target 1,223 individuals using WhatsApp across 51 countries in 2019, with 100 Indians being impacted by use of the hacking software, the second highest count globally.